Okay, let's look at the first example. Express the following angles in radian. Okay, so now we want to convert from degree to radian. So we know that 360 degree is equivalent to 2 pi radian. Okay, so now 45 degree, kita mau cancel degree ni. In order to cancel this one, we need to divide. Okay, we need to divide by 360 degree, and then because we want it to be in radian, so kita kena darab dengan 2 pi radian. So here you can cancel the degree and then tekan calculator, you will get 0.79 radian, or you can leave the answer as pi over 4 radian, which is in terms of pi. So kedua-duanya diterima. Okay, so for question B until E, you can do it on your own because it's the same thing. Okay, next one, example 2. Calculate the angular velocity of the second hand, the minute hand, and the hour hand of a clock, set in radian per second. And what is the angular acceleration in each case? Okay, so now we want to find angular velocity and angular acceleration, meaning that we want to find the value for omega and then alpha for the second hand, minute hand, and the hour hand of a clock. So this is a clock, and we know that in a clock we have the hour hand, and then the minute hand, and then the second hand. Second, this one hour, this one minute. Okay, so now we want to find first one dahulu, the second hand. This one. So this one kita akan consider for one complete cycle. Okay, keluarkan formula dahulu. Omega is equal to theta divided by the time. Okay, theta dekat sini kita akan consider it as 2 pi or one complete cycle. Kita tahu one complete cycle adalah 360 degree. Okay, since we want it to be in radian per second, kita akan guna radian lah. So here 2 pi. So one complete cycle adalah 60 second. So you will get 0.105 radian per second. And then we want to find the alpha, the angular acceleration, which is equal to omega divided by the time. So omega yang this one lah yang kita sudah kira ni, 0.105 divided by the time. Time still sama, which is 60 second. And then you will get 1.75 exponent negative 3 radian per second squared. Okay, don't forget per second squared. Okay, next one is for the minute hand. This one. So sama juga, one complete cycle adalah sama dengan 2 pi. Okay, but 4 minute untuk dia buat satu pusingan ni, dia akan dapat 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, you need to convert to second. And then you will get 1.75 exponent negative 3 radian per second. And then alpha is omega divided by t. So omega divided by t, t pun sama juga, 60 times 60. And then you will get 4.86 exponent negative 7 radian per second squared. And then last one is for the hour hand. So hour hand, one complete cycle for the hour. Okay, kita akan dapat 12 jam. So 12 jam, you need to convert to second times 60 times 60, and then you will get 1.45 exponent negative 4 radian per second. And then angular acceleration, alpha divided by, omega divided by the time. Time still sama, 12 jam. So you will get equal to 3.36 exponent -9 radian per second. Okay, next one, example 3. During a certain period of time, the angular displacement of a swinging door is described by this equation here, which is theta is equal to 2t squared plus 10t plus 5, where theta is in radian and t is in seconds. Determine the angular displacement, angular speed, and angular acceleration at time equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so we want to find angular displacement, which is theta, angular speed, omega, and angular acceleration, alpha. So we want to find omega, theta, and also alpha. Okay, dan dibagi dekat sini at specific time equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so since we are given this equation here, so we can just use this one and substitute value for t here. So first kita akan dapat value for theta at 3 is equal to 3 seconds. So substitute plus 10 t plus 5. So you will get 53 radian. So this is the first one. Okay, second one, we want to find omega. Okay, we want to find omega. So since this one adalah instantaneous, sebab dia bagi at specific time, right? Okay, so let's see the equation here. So instantaneous angular velocity, which is this one. So we need to use this formula here. Omega is equal to d theta divided by dt. So meaning that here, we need to do some differentiation. Omega is equal to d theta divided by dt. So kita kena differentiatekan the first equation here. d over dt, differentiate theta, 2t squared plus 10t plus 5. So differentiate, kamu akan dapat 4t plus 10 omega. And then barulah kita akan substitutekan value for 3 seconds. And then you will get omega is equal to 22 radian per second. Okay, so next one, find the angular acceleration. So angular acceleration, let's see the equation. So instantaneous sebab kita mau at specific time, which is this one. Okay, angular acceleration is equal to d omega divided by dt. So d omega divided by dt. Maksudnya dekat sini kita akan differentiate omega pula. So omega tadi kita sudah dapat equation dia, which is this one. d over dt omega 4t plus 10. So you will get 4. So angular acceleration is equal to 4 radian per second squared.